Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear students. I am Mrs. Jinatara Khanum. Hope you are all fit and fine. Dear students, we know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with schools, teachers and lack of education. Most of the schools of the country have started online class and our school too. I have already given one class in online. In the previous class, I discussed sentence and its classifications. Hope that everyone listened to me. Okay, let's start our class. Today I am going to discuss about tense. We can say that the analysis of the time form of a verb in a sentence is called tense. This is academic definition of tense. But I know you are here not to know bookish discuss, but to observe and feel to breadth of tense. Yes, I will not deliver you silent knowledge. I want to show here the easiest way of learning the 12 classes of tense and their basic structures. Students, but one thing today, I would like to discuss the basic and major base of English grammar, tense and its classifications in brief. Later, I will discuss the entire function of tense step by step. So, let's start classification of tense. Present tense. Students, we know that present tense means the action of a verb that concerns current time is called present tense. I go to school, I write a letter, I help him today. Past tense. We know that past tense means the action of a verb that concerns the old or ancient time is called past tense. I helped him yesterday. I wrote a letter. I went to school. And future tense. Students, we know that future tense means the action of a verb that concerns the following times of subsequent page of time is called future tense. Therefore, you should remember that in a sentence, verb is the one and only indicator of the expression of tense, not the subject or object. In above sentences, you have noticed that the form of the verb is help in present, helps in past and will help in future tense. The verb varies from tense to tense or time to time. You always have to remember that the difference of tense or its classifications depends on the forms of verbs, not on the subject or object. A student, okay, now it is time to say goodbye. I hope that you have learned a lot and hope to see you again someday. Goodbye.